I am 41 years old, and it's not very usual. I mean, I'm not saying that it is out of the ordinary, but it's not very usual for someone of my age use a 125 as a mainly transportation method. Usually when they use motorcycles and going about, you're 20, 30 years old, something like that, everyone always wants to change to a bigger bike. Well, I'm no exception. I would love to change for a bigger bike, but the truth is that, well, first of all, there's a reason that I work 2 jobs. So that will be the first one, cost-wise. So, meaning petrol, I spend about what? So I do per week, let's say 240 miles per week on this little 125. And in petrol, I spend about what? 10 quid per week, probably. A little bit more, a little bit less, something like that. On a bigger bike, that would be way more. Well, the fun would be completely different, of course, but I would spend minimum 30 quid, 30 pounds on petrol on a bigger bike. Second of all, maintenance. Every time that I take my little girl to be serviced, we're talking about around 200 pounds. The other day I was talking, well, the last time that I took her to be serviced at Honda, I was talking with the guy there. I was saying that the prices are crazy, just maintenance prices are just crazy. 200 quid just to change the bloody oil. And he said to me, well, that's for a 125. For anything above that, he gave me the example. If you add the CB650R, which is the middle sister of this one, you would pay at least £1,000 just for the bloody service. So just in that, there's another reason why I keep riding my faithful 125. Okay, what are you doing? This is Toyota's dark side. Ooh. Oh, the dark side costumes. Okay. Oh, that's cool, bro. The pigs. Thirdly, well, I do not have the cash flow to go pick up a bigger bike. And to be quite honest, I cannot justify the change, because this little girl takes me wherever I want to go. I mean, like I said, I do 240 miles per week on this little 125. She has almost 20,000 miles on it right now. She's a 19 plate, so she's 6 years old now. And never ever hopefully I don't jinx it, had any massive issues with her. So there's nothing wrong about riding a 125.